So now let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to a language. These are reserved for some special purpose and must not be used as a normal identifier. Keywords may be different for different languages. These are some keywords that Python holds. These are the words which we cannot use to name any class, function, object, list, dictionary or any other thing. So now let me show you an example of keyword that we cannot use a keyword for naming a variable. So here's my program. I am creating a variable named delete, which I know is a keyword of Python, and I am storing a value of 3 in it. Then I want to print this value. Then I am using a print function and passing the identifier, that is del, delete. Now we have to save this file and run it. And it gives me a syntax error. Here it is. Now let's use it with another keyword. The another keyword may be if. Here now I'm using if. Now let's save it and run the program again. Now also it gives us invalid syntax error. Sorry, I did not use it here. Now let me save it and run it for you. So here it is. It gives an invalid syntax. Now I am giving a name beyond keywords. Now I am giving a custom name to this variable. Suppose I named it as A. Now I have to print this A and let's save it and run the program again. And now here, the output is here. So that's how we cannot use keywords for naming variables, functions, classes, objects and any other thing in Python. That's all for keywords. Thank you.